So guys, welcome to my channel. How to download GeForce RTX 50 till 16 gaming RTO plus TRO plus. So open any browsers to type like that, okay, and then go to this maci.com. This is officially websites to download the driver. Just single click it. And then click to support. Scroll down, you can see automatically show here the driver. If not, so select the driver download. Then automatic driver download NVIDIA. Just click to download. Then click to download now. When you click done, it will download some setup like that. I show you. Just single click to setup. After downloaded, then click to yes, give it to administrator permissions. It will working in background like, okay. So next to install. If you are getting some issues, so guys, go try to manual. So just click to, if you are getting issue in the automatic, so you have more options to download driver manual. So scroll down, select a GeForce series and automatically detects which is operating system or Windows 10 and an Archer and all, okay, and then click to search. Okay, this is manual versions, manuals driver. Okay, this is latest up to date. Okay, so this is for game ready driver and this is for the studio driver, NVIDIA Studio. So just click to like that, gaming. Okay, okay, so this is size and this is the version and also supported Windows 10 11 both languages, and this is file size, that is the versions. Okay, so no worry, you just click to download. After delete, you just single click to next to install and then restart your system. Thank you. So install to manual, so just click to sim manual. It will show the model number, okay, and select operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. After that, click to search. So you can see this is two type driver, which is gaming ready driver and second studio. Okay, so just click to download. After that, next to install it. Okay, all the driver installations process same. Just click to download like that. It will start automatically. Okay, after that, click to download now. You can see this downloading. So after 4 to 5 minutes will complete it. I show you how to download. Okay, after that it is completed, just single click. Then this is NVIDIA packet launcher, then click to yes, then click to OK. Now this is extracting to data your system for the download the driver. This is process of the manual. Now this is detect your driver and next to install after, then restart your system. Okay, this is 5 step to complete. Thank you.